Okay. So initially kasi I was really shopping around kung anong mga okay na sasakyan na compact SUV. So initially hindi siya kasama sa list. So, I was looking dun sa ibang ibang options. But then naalala ko na merong Chery sa Alabang. So I decided to to check kung ano yung mga merong options. And then yung nakausap ko si Reggie, he was able to educate me kung ano yung features na meron yung Chery Tiggo, no? And that made me realize na it's yung features that na meron for its price, I can say na magiging worth it siya. So even if this is the very first car namin na Chery, I think it's worth a try. Sa driving experience, siguro kasi hindi rin ako yung type of driver na maarangkada. So especially pag galing sa stop, I think yung isa sa mga security feature kasi nung unit na hindi siya, pag nag-step kasi hindi talaga siya, yung sobrang bibilis yung gas. And isa yun sa mga nagustuhan ko. And matipid siya especially for long driving. And siguro nakatulong yung features niya na merong automatic na i-assign ko anong takbo yung gusto ko, especially pag expressway kasi minsan umuwi ako ng province. So malaking tulong actually siya sa akin. Actually, for that, it's one of the best services na meron in the market right now. You're very proactive in texting me na it's about to check na yung unit for PMS. And siguro, hindi ko sure kasi sa iba, pero parang yung number of instances that I can do PMS for free na included sa warranty, I think kayo lang yung meron. So, may peace of mind ako na pag merong kailangan sa unit, hindi ako mahirapan kasi there was one instance na nag-lubat yung sa battery. And then nag-contact ako kay Reggie, and Reggie was very accommodating na natawagan niya agad yung sa service niyo. Tapos the following day may pupunta na agad to replace the battery. So kumbaga parang doon pa lang again doon sa binayaran ko sa unit. So sobra-sobra na yung worth ng service. Oh yes, actually yung father ko is also looking for another option na mas maliit naman na version ng kotse na meron pa. And he's already considering sharing kasi nga dun sa yung na-drive niya to, tapos yung nalaman niya kung ano yung meron after sales. So yun, parang kinoconsider na niya na to get one unit as well from Chery. Thank you.
Thank you. O, diba? Kuha na kayong Chery. Salamat.